Is your Ninja Creami actually saving you money, or is it just an expensive countertop trophy? I'm breaking down the cost, macros, convenience, texture, and taste of a homemade Oreo pint versus Yasso's version to see which one actually deserves a spot in your fat loss journey. So first off, what is Yasso? Yasso is a frozen Greek yogurt that's pretty popular in the fitness space because of the higher protein, and people do like the taste. First couple ingredients are non-fat milk, non-fat Greek yogurt, and sugar. You can find this in most grocery stores, and it's marketed as the healthier version of ice cream. And then for the Ninja Creami version, we have all the ingredients right here. So for the milk, I use Fairlife skim milk, which has more protein and less sugar than regular skim milk. The protein powder I use is this one by Optimum Nutrition. It's the vanilla ice cream flavor, which I find works really well with a lot of these creamies. And this ingredient right here is key, the xanthan gum. This is what gives it that thick, creamy ice cream texture. Without it, it'd be pretty icy, so this is definitely key. I add a little bit, about a quarter of a teaspoon, seems to work the best. And then I always add a pinch of salt, which really brings out the flavor in the creamy. In this case, it's that vanilla. And speaking of vanilla, I also use vanilla extract to really give it that strong vanilla taste, but this is optional. And last but not least, the Oreos. This is what obviously gives it the Oreo taste. Right now I'm using these Oreo minis. You could also use Oreo thins, and I'll go about 1 serving for a 24-ounce pint. So in this case, that's 9 cookies. The Oreo thins is 4 Oreo thins. And if you wanted less calories, you could always take out the cream in the middle. The cost, Yasso is about $4 to $6 for this pint right here, 14 ounces. And then the 24-ounce size creamy, averaging about $4 to $6 to make the 1 pint. You're getting a lot more with the creamy than the Yasso. Now, obviously you have to buy the creamy, which is an investment. This was $189 at Costco, which did come with 3 pints. So you do have to make that initial investment in the creamy. If you use it consistently 2 times a week for 4 to 6 months, you'll break even on your investment in place of buying 2 of these per week. Because I believe this is such a good investment for your weight loss journey, I'm gonna give this category to the Ninja Creami. Nutrition. First, Yasso is 14 ounces, while the Ninja Creami is 24 ounces. Comparing the calories, the Yasso has 370 calories, while the Ninja Creami has a little over 400. The Yasso has 19 grams of protein, while the Creami has 51 grams of protein. Yasso has 35 grams of sugar, the Creami has 19 grams of sugar. So with that said, you're getting 3 times the amount of protein than you are in the Yasso, with less sugar and about 40 more calories than the Yasso. So if we did scale this Yasso up to 24 ounces, it would be roughly 634 calories, 32 grams of protein, and 60 grams of sugar. So when you look at like that in even comparison, there really is a big difference between the two. And this ties in the volume eating. You get so much more ice cream for not too much more calories and a lot more protein without adding too much sugar. The winner for this round, no brainer, Ninja Creami. Convenience. Yasso, all you have to do is open it and you're all good. Ninja Creami, you gotta prepare it. So you gotta put this in the freezer for at least 24 hours to make sure it's nice and rock solid. You have to buy the individual ingredients for it. You have to mix them all up and prepare it, and then drop it in the freezer for at least 24 hours. So with that said, this one's pretty obvious. The Yasso wins for convenience. Texture and appearance. So let's take a look at both of these. We got the Yasso right here and the Ninja Creami right here. If I were to pick one based on appearance, it'd definitely be the Creami. This one's obviously just a frozen thing of ice cream that's been sitting in the grocery store for a while. Let's take a look at the Creami's texture. I want to give it a nice scoop right here. That's as real as it gets right there. Crazy thickness. Looks exactly like regular ice cream. And now let's do Yasso. This is super thick. If I let it frost a little bit more, it would have been better, but pretty clumpy. You don't really get that smell of Oreo. This one, you definitely get the smell of Oreo. So for texture and appearance, I'm definitely going the Creami. Now the taste test. Let's first try out the Yasso. Yasso is very sweet. Tastes good, but it's just really, really sweet. And I don't really taste any vanilla. Maybe a little bit. Definitely not creamy. It's really hard. Again, maybe it's because I didn't let it defrost too long. I mean, it's not too heavy. It's just very sweet. Taste-wise, I'm giving it a 6 out of 10. Now let's try the Creami. When you go from the Yasso to this, it's actually a huge difference in taste. I said the Yasso was light. This is even lighter. The only sweetness you're getting is from the Oreos, which personally I like. I don't like my ice cream too sweet anyway. If you did like it sweeter, you could always add some monk fruit for no calories and make it a little bit sweeter. I'm definitely getting a lot more vanilla taste in this one, and I'm not for one to give a perfect 10 out of 10, so I'm giving this an 8 out of 10. The winner for the taste, I'm going with the Creami. Therefore, the overall winner is the Ninja Creami. If you want more ice cream, more protein, less sugar, and will eventually be worth the investment of buying the Ninja Creami, go with the Creami. If you want something convenient that's a bit sweeter and you're treating it more as an actual treat as opposed to a way to help you hit your protein goals, then go with the Yasso.